So, I'm gonna give away this. If only whoever's like subscribing to me, like if I get 1,000, and whoever's like the 1,000 subscriber, I'm gonna give away this. So, if you want this, just subscribe or like guys to get this because look, it's expensive sometimes. See, it's only 1 million but it's kind of hard to get. It's kind of hard to get the Windstruck molten this. So if you want it or any like of my pets or like one of these bad boys, one of these you need to like earn or like or subscribe to get myself. Naka-record ako. So if you want this, I Stegosaurus or a Triceratops, just like or subscribe or comment. But if you want other pets like like these, if you want the Scarlet Mercuro, just do what I said. Brosa baby. If you want the bald eagle or the peacock or this, first try. Bro's easy to get. Feel that is only one chance to get this. So if you want it, but you need to at least get me to 500, 200 subscribers. Yeah, just to get that. I'm gonna give away every single one of these. Yeah. Mm. Mm. Kung gusto nyo to, dito na bibigay kasi mahirap tong kunin. Okay? Kaya dito lang siya. Okay? So, second, anything I'll give away for free. Yeah. If you want the sea turtle, I'ma give it. I'ma give the sea turtle if you want it, guys. Or anything that you want here. The cooked owl bawal yun. Chef Crab or Crab. Sige, anong gusto nyo dito? Pag pwede na ako ulit mag live stream. Pag pwede na ako ulit mag live stream, i-text nyo ano yung paborito nyong pet. Iti-trade ko sa'yo. Okay? At saka alam nyo na yung bagong update. May dinosaur update na. Kaya kung gusto nyo itong mga Triceratops, Stegosaurus, saka alam ko kakalagay ko lang ng bagong dinosaur egg. Bro, it's thunderstorm. What? Diba admin abuse ko noon? Ito hindi ko pa nagagawa. Prehistoric quest. Ayun nga lang, tayo. What's up? Okay. Show me the quest. Grow a dog to age 10. Plant 100 carrot seeds. First of all, don't you... Ano kaya to, guys? To. Kayang dinosaur na purong mukhang meat. Ano kaya yun? Feature plant ba? Or na ba? Or guys, kung gusto niyo ng items like ito, yung ganito, gawin nyo lang din yun, like, subscribe. Gusto nyo tong star staff? Night staff? Dikan din kita. Lightning rod? Sige, lahat ng gusto mo. Itong mutation spray. Bigay ko lahat. Sige. Anong gusto nyo lang, bigay ko. Shining mirror. Sige. Lagay ko. Sige. Magnifying glass. Sige, lagay ko. Magnifying glass. Magnifying glass. Gusto niyo ng reclaimer? Sige, gusto niyo ng reclaimer. Sige, bigay ko. Bigay ko sa'yo lahat ng meron ako. Lahat ng seeds ko. Magnifying. 2020. Guys, I want Samba. And you know who's this? We want Samba. Now who's this? Sam. I love you so much. Broke it. Bruh. Bruh. Oh. Bruh. How much is this? Ay, bakit kay Sam? Di naman siya yung magsisil. How much is this worth? Got anything to sell? How much is this worth? Oh, brother, shut this guy's dead. So if you want anything from my garden, let me know. I have some fruits, pero mga sunflower, mga ganun. Wala, ayaw ibigay sa akin. Pero yung Tito JB ko meron siya. Sunflower. Nakuha niya sa first try, I think.
Pagiging mo na naman yung ano niya, storage.
Hello guys, wait. Ano to? Dragon fruit, boy. Peace, guys. Be.
Infinity Engine sa'yo ba to?
Oh.
Infinity Engine.
Infinity. Andy